So, happy FabFitFun Day. I just got this little surprise in front of my door. It's a little beat up and a little wet. It is a rainy day. It's feeling a little grimy. And at first I thought, well, I shouldn't be getting a box, but I think that these are the add-ons that I ordered. So, I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. This feels completely waterlogged, like it was sitting in a puddle. This is totally wet and totally, I don't know, it's just really waterlogged. Let's see if the stuff inside maintained its integrity. Okay. Okay, this is a really big box for just a couple of things. Okay, so the first thing I have in here, if you can see that, is the Glitter Storm lipstick from Ciate, London. Very nice. The next thing that's in here, let's see if I can get this in there. Oh, these are like those bobble pieces that you put in your hair, a magic bobble. Magical Mermaid. 3 UV magic hair rings. So you can put that on your hair. And then the third piece that I have in here is a Sulfur-Free shampoo from Moroccan Gold series, which I happen to love, and I just can't wait to try. Sulfur-Free shampoo, all right, definitely. And that's essentially it. That's all that's in here, along with a note. In an effort to be more environmentally conscious, okay, we're upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. Help the environment for recycling by recycling this, or turn it into a fun DIY. I tend to use the oversized original boxes and recycle them and reuse them as far as for storage purposes. They're really fun and colorful to use. I feel really bad that they're no longer doing the oversized box, but I completely understand. Environment first. So what I think, I am pleasantly surprised and very happy that I received these pieces. Now, stay tuned for my next FabFitFun reveal.